Once upon a time ago, when I was 9 years old, I have a fear of emergency alert systems. I do get a point of them, so yeah, the emergency alert systems are helping people from safety. So yeah, that's why I like the emergency alert system. Also, this is also my scary story of the emergency alert system. So let's get started. So as you see, around 1 a.m., I saw a storm warning for San Diego. It was the severe thunderstorm warning and the flash flood warning. And so I saw the emergency alert system first time when it appeared on PBS Kids. And it was interrupting my first show called Curious George. So first it starts with uh 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 three beeps and one long beep, and the man's voice says, "If you're outside, get to a shelter fast, and stay tuned." Then three short beeps. So it was the severe thunderstorm warning. So there's a second severe thunderstorm warning will came um, um, maybe 7 a.m. So 7 minutes later, the emergency alert system came on again. The only things I heard was uh, uh, three long beeps and one long beep too, and the tones never scare me that much. The beats never scare me that much. Then the man's voice says, "The National Water Service in San Diego has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the whole San Diego city. So, uh, if you're outside, get to a shelter fast and get to the lowest part of the building and stay tuned." Then three short beeps. I was nothing then. What the heck? I was never scared of the emergency alert systems. I never get scared of them too much. Well, I like the emergency alert systems, but some of my friends got scared when they heard the beats on the TV. So I was around alone because one of my parents are going to the mall to get some stuff, and I was home alone. So I had to just watch some TV. Everything is off, except for the TV. So I had to go to the basement, but I had to wait for the last emergency alert system. It's the flash flood warning this time. Then I heard the beeps from the TV. Then the man's voice says, "The National Water Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the whole San Diego city. If you're outside, get to a shelter fast and get the lowest part of the building. Stay tuned." Then three short beeps. After the three short beeps, I had to turn off the TV for this alert. Then I turned off the TV and stay in the basement. Then, after, there was a good ending message. "Attention, we have a storm is over. You can get out of your basements. Dates for this participating in the emergency alert system. We'll go back to our own programming." Then after three short beeps, I can finally watch my favorite PBS Kids show. It's Curious George. So it ends with the three short beeps. So I never get fear of them. So I got no scared at all. But this is my creepypasta story of the emergency alert system. And this is all it. Bye bye for now.